Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to toggle your webcam on your ASUS ExpertBook. So the first step and that you can use to toggle it is to just search for it in your search bar right here, in the webcam settings. And now here you can toggle the camera access, which will disable the access for all apps, including the camera app. Or you can enable it, or you can just go to your camera. And as you can see, we don't have the permission because we toggled it off. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.